Inside an AI agent, how autonomous AI systems work. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, autonomous AI systems stand out as revolutionary entities. These systems operate independently, making decisions based on intricate data analysis and algorithmic reasoning. At the core of these AI agents lies a sophisticated architecture that mimics cognitive processes, allowing them to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. The blend of machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics forms the backbone of their operational capabilities. The journey of an autonomous AI agent begins with data acquisition. Sensors and data inputs feed the system a wealth of information from the environment. This data could range from simple numerical values to complex visual stimuli. Equipped with advanced algorithms, the AI processes this information, filtering out noise and identifying relevant patterns. This stage is crucial as it lays the groundwork for informed decision-making. The AI learns to recognize significant trends and correlations that humans might overlook. Once the system has digested the data, it enters the analysis phase. Here, various algorithms are deployed to interpret the filtered information. Machine learning models, particularly supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, enable the AI to make predictions and classify data based on historical patterns. The beauty of this process lies in its continuous improvement. As more data becomes available, the AI refines its models, effectively becoming smarter and more efficient. It becomes a self-evolving entity capable of adapting to new challenges without explicit instructions. The real magic, however, occurs during the decision-making phase. Armed with insights derived from analysis, the autonomous AI must evaluate potential actions. Reinforcement learning techniques come into play here. The AI assesses the possible outcomes of its choices, weighing the benefits and risks involved. This process is akin to an intricate dance, where the agent weighs various strategies and quickly pivots in response to shifting conditions, ultimately steering toward the most advantageous solution. Finally, the AI culminates its operation with execution. With concrete decisions made, the system acts, whether it's navigating a physical environment or optimizing online transactions. The feedback loop established between observation, analysis, decision-making, and action ensures that the AI agent is not static. It remains responsive and agile, capable of evolving in real time. As we delve further into the realm of AI, understanding the deep mechanics behind these autonomous systems offers insight into their potential, shaping the future of human-AI collaboration.